There she goes. To her new owner. All right, little man, enjoy it, clean it up, have a good time. Don't hurt yourself.
Wait, is this my dirt bike?
Yeah, that's your dirt bike.
Why is it already here?
I went and picked it up.
Sick.
Yeah.
My friend keychains on it. How did he do that?
Oh, I figured it out. Nah, that was me. You ready to ride?
Yeah, is this how it...
What do you say to Keaton, the guy who built your bike?
Thank you really much!
There we go.
Full gas there. I hit it as hard as I can. That was full gas there.
That was great, man. All right, well, many thanks to the wizard. Did a great job.
Yeah, it's coming together pretty nice. I need to install the lights, headlight, front fender, and then give it a test ride. Am I doing it right? There you go. Now let's do one more with light. Bam. So there's the headlight. Now if he has to hit the brakes, it'll definitely let somebody know that he's behind him. All right, 8-year-old, come pick it up. It's ready. What is it, like 4 p.m.?